Looking to make a website for your business, blog, online store, or even for your school project? Then this video is for you. Hey, it's Akhil from WM Originals, and today I will show you all how you can make a website for free. So after watching this video, you will have your own website like this, which can be accessed by anyone over the internet. I will show you step by step everything you need to know to create a website, even if you are a beginner or if you don't know how to code. But before I start, if you are new to WM Originals, do subscribe and hit bell icon and watch this biggest giveaway and tutorial from me at WM Originals for a chance to win $100 free Amazon gift card. So let's get started and know how to make a website for free, and for this we will be using Breezy.cloud. With this, we can create highly converting websites, landing pages, and blogs to connect with potential customers, collect leads, and for all this, no code is required. Their codes-free drag and drop builder helps in publishing first landing page within minutes. And here is the most essential part of any website, the loading speed. With 92% page speed score and 97% Y-slow score, you are supposed to get lightning fast page speeds that helps in driving more potential customers. It also offers more than 700 plus premium design blocks, 150 plus page layouts, and 45 pop-ups, especially optimized for conversion. Plus, you can also integrate with any of these marketing apps. And the best thing, we can also get our website online in minutes. Can use custom domain or pick subdomain on Breezy.site. Also offers server sync and can also export HTML. That's fantastic to have if you know a bit more about website making. So now let's see how Breezy.cloud works and create a website for ourselves. Follow the links in description and pin comment to visit this website and then click on start for free. Here is a Breezy.cloud dashboard, but here is an important message at top. As we are working in a guest account, projects are not saved, so we must log in or sign up. If you already have an account, you can log in or click on sign up to create an account. Enter your details, first name, last name, email, and set password. After that, click on I am not a robot. Next, click on create account. Here is our Breezy.cloud dashboard, and to create a project, click on create new project. Here we have option to create website and landing page. With this option, we can create new multi-page website or a landing page. Next, we have option to create pop-up and alert. We can create it here and use on our external website. That's cool. Next, we have option to create a story site. As today we are here to know how to create a website. Clicking on this to start creating a site. Here our project is ready to be edited. We can rename it from here, renaming it to WM Originals. Click on edit project, and here is our Breezy.cloud website builder. We can start building our page right here. Clicking on start building your page, here we have many categories of blocks that we can use in our website. Not only categories, but have styles to choose from. If you want a light or dark theme for your website, we can choose block matching our website theme. We can also create our own block as well. Not only blocks, we also have complete layouts that we can choose and begin with creating our website. We have so many different layouts to choose from, and we will get a specific website theme to work on. You can choose the layout as per your own requirement. If you are looking to make a business website, you can choose one from these. We also have real estate website themes. If you are into education, you can choose one of these, and we also get non-profit organization themes as well. So it has something for all. They are pro layouts, but we also get some free layouts as well. Let's choose one from portfolio. Let's choose this one, and here is the full layout for this website theme. Here is homepage, and we also have other pages for our portfolio website. Click on import this layout, and now we can start editing our website theme. Can change text. Let's change it to everything about tag. Can change text size or do more formatting from here. Let's change this text as well. We can change color or do some more editing from here. And here we have a button. Let's change button text to subscribe now. We can set link to custom URL, can redirect viewers to a specific block on website, or add a pop-up as well. Let's add a custom URL, adding YouTube channel link. We can also set it to open in a new tab and can also make it no follow. Now suppose we want to add one more button, we can do it from here at top right corner. We have option to add elements. From here we can add a button to our web page, or the best thing is that we can also copy the same button styling. Just click on the button and from here click on this and see we have a copy of the same button. Now let's change button text and add a custom link. Same way we can also change this top right corner button text and add custom link. We can resize any element on page just by dragging it. Let's change this text to email anytime and add email address. Now we can resize it to fit our web page. Now if you want to change logo, we can do it as well. Let's upload a custom one, uploaded WM Originals logo to use it here. We can do much more changes to our web page, like by changing this image. And suppose we want to add more elements to our web page, well, we can do it from here. We have so many elements that we can add to our website. We can also reorder blocks from here. Just drag and drop to wherever you want to place a block. From here we can select or change styling for our website, and from here at bottom left we can preview our website as how it will look on computer, tablet or mobile device. We can save our website draft by clicking on this, or can also publish it right from here. Once published, we can preview it by clicking on this. See here we have our website ready, published on breezy.site subdomain. But if we want our website on our custom domain or want to change breezy.site subdomain, we can do it from our dashboard, and for that moving back to website builder. And now from here we can click on go to dashboard button, and here we are back on our dashboard. Here is our WM Originals website project. Just click on these three dots and click on publish. Now here we get option to select a custom domain. We can also connect it to third-party free hosting, can server sync it to our own servers. That's not enough, we can also export HTML files of our project. Well, all of these are pro features and we will be required to upgrade our account. But right from here we can change our custom breezy.site URL. Click on choose, and now from here we can change it. Let's change it to WM Originals. Now our website address will be set as wmoriginals.breezy.site and can be accessed from anyone on internet. That's cool, and this is free forever. So that's it guys. This is how easily you can also make your own website for free using breezy.cloud. So now if you are ready to make your own website, find the links in description and pin comment and start making a website for free. But hey, that will be hosted on breezy.site subdomain, and if you want to move it to your own custom domain, you will require a plan and need to set up Breezy Pro. So now let's check out breezy.cloud pricing. Here are breezy.cloud personal, freelancer and agency plans with different publishing options. So you can choose any of these plans as per your requirement, or you can continue using breezy.cloud free forever. So what are you waiting for? Find the links in description and pin comment and start making your own website for free using breezy.cloud. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Should I make more videos on this topic? Feedback in comments will be highly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to WM Originals for more useful content like this, and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.